Should pop-up matcha drink stands offer dessert-inspired matcha drinks? Yes, they should, as long as the drinks keep matcha recognizable, offer balanced sweetness, and include a few simpler choices. Dessert-inspired matcha drinks can attract people who might not normally try traditional green tea. Flavors such as strawberry shortcake, vanilla cream, toasted coconut, or chocolate can make the menu feel fun and familiar. The important part is that the dessert flavor should support the matcha instead of hiding it completely. Matcha has a grassy, slightly bitter taste, so creamy ingredients and fruit can soften it without removing its character. A useful starting point is to offer one classic matcha, one lightly sweetened flavor, and one special dessert drink. This gives beginners an easy choice while still serving people who already enjoy strong matcha. A detail many customers do not know is that matcha can taste more bitter when mixed with very hot water, so using warm rather than boiling water can create a smoother drink. Stands should test each recipe several times and measure the matcha, milk, syrup, and ice so the flavor stays consistent. Clear names and short descriptions can also help customers understand whether a drink is creamy, fruity, sweet, or strongly tea-flavored. One common mistake is adding too much syrup, which can make the drink taste like sugar instead of matcha, so begin with less and let customers add more. Another mistake is using poor quality or stale matcha, which may look dull and taste harsh, so store fresh matcha in an airtight container away from heat and light. Some sellers also create complicated drinks that take too long to prepare, so limit the menu and use ingredients that can work in more than one recipe. Be careful with whipped cream and thick toppings because they can cover the matcha aroma and make the drink difficult to carry. Offer clear dairy-free options and label ingredients that may cause allergies. If you enjoyed the video, check out our online resources that can really help get your business started in the description below.